Right, so on to this last part here. Did I do the marks for the previous part? I did. Okay. So find the probability that the word formed has. Oh, actually, sorry, I changed the marks for that previous part. So I've made it 10 marks for that part now, and then made this part down here 5. Okay, so find the probability that the word formed has more vowels than consonants. Okay, so more, okay, so I have 5 vowels and I have 4 consonants. So for more vowels than consonants in my 5-letter word, I would need 5 vowels and no consonants, or I'd need 4 vowels and 1 consonant, or I need 3 vowels and 2 consonants. And if I go any further, then I'll have more consonants than vowels, so that doesn't work. Okay, so sorry, this feels like combinations because this is how these questions normally go, but it can't be. Okay, I'm just going to keep going. So I have 5 vowels. How many vowels do I have? 5. How many do I need? 5. And then how many consonants do I have? 4. How many do I need? None in that first one. Or is plus. Second one, then I have 5 vowels, choose 4, and 4 consonants, choose 1. Or five vowels, choose 3, and 4 consonants, choose 2. Now, sorry, this is what I'm trying to think. So this method, this choosy method thing, that's combinations. And remember, in combinations, there's no permutations. It's not permutations, as in, so if I talk about, say, this one over here, 5 choose 5, that is where I have 5 vowels. So I have E, D, U, C, A, T, I, O. So I have the 5 vowels, and I'm choosing 5 vowels. And so if I do this, like 5 choose 5, I'm getting 1. So there's one way to choose 5 vowels from 5 vowels, which makes sense. But in this question, it's not enough to choose them. I have to actually arrange them, as in EUAIO is not the same permutation as UEAIO. Like, so these two are the same combination, but they're not the same permutation. I think that's going to happen the whole way across. So what I've done here will only choose them. It won't arrange them. Okay. So what I think we need to do is we need to figure out what this is. So 5 choose 5 is 1 and 4 choose 0 is 1. So that first bracket is 1 times 1, which is obviously 1. But we need to multiply that by how many ways you can arrange 5 letters, which is 5 factorial. Second one is going to be exactly the same. So 5 choose 4 is 5, and 4 choose 1 is 4, and 4 times 5 is 20. But again, that will only be choosing 4 vowels and 1 consonant, not arranging them in different orders. So we have to take into account arranging them in different orders. And then the last one is 5 choose 3 is 10. 4 choose 2 is 6. 10 times 6 is 60. And then again, once you've chosen your 5, you need to reorder them. Okay, so 1 times 5, what is 5 factorial? 5 factorial is 120. So that's 120. This is 20 times 120, which is 2,400. And this one is 60 times 120, which is 7,200. So add them up. So that's 9,720. And I think this question was a probability. Yeah. So it's out of the total, which is 15120. 15120. I don't know if that simplifies. 15120. So it's 9 over 14 is what I'm getting. So I don't think when we did any of the questions in class that we came across that question where it was like combinations and permutations sort of smushed together. We definitely did combinations and probability together, but I'm not sure about combinations and permutations. So when I hadn't done the question, but I saw the factorial, so I had a feeling it was going to be this way. So that's why I've reduced the marks on it. It's not that you don't need to know it, it's just that for this particular exam, I thought it was fairer to switch the marks. Okay, so that's that one. That is 5, 15, 20, 25, 30. Yeah, for question 1. Okay. Second one here is the proof. So I'll go through it quickly. Sorry, I could do with some lines to help me out here to make them parallel. I might just rob some of these. Hang on. Okay, it's fine. I'm going to have to, hang on, delete that. Okay. Insert a line. Can I insert a line on top of this? Yeah. So there's 1. Insert another line. And 2. And then insert another line, which is 3. And it looks like an N, doesn't it? So if we change to blue and insert a line that way, and then I'm going to go to green and I'm going to insert a line this way. Yeah? Right, so let's label that. I've lost my pen. Here it is. Hasn't fully come across here, which is annoying. Okay, so okay. So that's A. That's B. And that's C. And then over here we have D, E, and F.